G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, many Queenslanders will remember this is the autumn without sunshine. And sadly, by the time we finally get to see clear blue skies this weekend, my favourite season will be almost over. But hang in there, only 3 cloudy days to go. Temperatures today were more or less average for May at both ends. In Townsville, we ranged from a bottom this morning of 20 degrees to a very agreeable top of 28. On the satellite loop, you can see the tropics haven't been too bad, although south of the Whitsundays it's clouding over very quickly. Southern half of Queensland is once again almost completely covered in cloud, although the showers have been confined mainly to coastal areas and the range. What will happen midweek, those showers will spread inland and they'll finally clear the coast not until Friday. That's when we'll really get to see some bright sunshine. On today's chart, we've got a strong high sitting on top of Tasmania. It's quite a simple pattern that's augmented by the ex-cyclone, which is out near New Caledonia, and that's really compressing the isobars and giving us a long fetch of southeasterly winds along the coast. On tomorrow's chart, the isobars spread out a little bit, so no more strong wind warnings, but there will be a hazardous surf warning for that long swell and the showers continuing. And now the latest from the BOM. The boating forecast for Townsville waters, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots tomorrow with 1.5 metre seas. On Wednesday, Thursday, would you believe it's still southeast 15 to 20 knots. There's a very early high tide tomorrow, and unless you're up with the sparrows, you'll miss it. The low tide just before lunch is more likely the first one you'll see. Herbert and low Burdekin, an early shower in the north only. Townsville 19 up to 28 degrees. Erringham also 28. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, it'll be fine and mostly sunny. Charters Towers, a range of 16 to 27 degrees. And Georgetown, a top of 32. Looking ahead for Townsville, not too much rain this week, but passing clouds could be annoying at times. A clearance on Friday should lead to a gloriously sunny weekend and cooler nights next week. A gentleman recently asked me why clouds don't fall down. It's not a stupid question. Your average lumpy cloud can weigh several hundred tonnes. Let's go back to basics. Just as water evaporates when it's out in the hot sun, water vapour condenses back to dew after it's allowed to cool down at night. Clouds are just dewdrops that form in mid-air as water vapour cools in the higher atmosphere, floating on the air currents that carry them up there. Any that fall below cloud base will just evaporate and become invisible. The bottom of the cloud's just the boundary between visible and invisible water. That's it from me, folks. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, good on you, Luke. Thank you very much. Lovely having your company. Catch you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7 Plus app, or you can catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us, good night.
Good night.